Hello everyone, this is G-Wiz. I'm just going to talk briefly about what Robinhood did to me. So, Chase Bank actually sent fraudulent claims to Robinhood and made it to where I can't log in or to send a PDF to Robinhood. This action from Chase Bank actually made it to where Robinhood was not able to recover my funds, and it didn't matter how many times I emailed Robinhood, they wouldn't be able to recover my funds anyway. So I just want to tell everyone, you can't trust the banks. You can't trust crypto. Try something else. I understand that you can make a lot of money with crypto. If you want to risk it, sure, put a small portion into crypto. Maybe that'll be good for you. But it's probably not worth putting every single bit of your money into it if that's all you have. And I hope this is helpful. Like, subscribe if it was. If I don't get my money back in small claims, I will let you all know.